Right, good morning everyone. So in previous class we were discussing about chapter 2. We were talking about exponents, right? So today also we'll discuss questions from our second chapter. Okay, all right. So let's just start with it. All right. Okay. So taking question from your exercise 2.2, we have already discussed laws of exponents. So I will be taking questions based on laws of exponents. Alright, so just look here, I am taking one question from your exercise, which is 8 upon 5 raised to the power minus 1 plus minus 16 upon 3 whole raised to the power minus 1. Then we have this, and then 5 upon 32 raised to the power minus 1. Just always remember, maths is not just about copying someone. आप दूसरा इंसान कैसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहा है, डू नॉट डू दैट. अगर आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हैं, इफ़ यू हैव योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर, अगर आप सही ढंग से कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई कर रहे हो, आपका मेथड चाहे अलग हो, बट यू विल गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, तो वट एवर यू फील लाइक यू कैन ऑलवेज स्टार्ट योर क्वेश्चन विद दैट, बट विद करेक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. फाइन. सो जस्ट हैव अ लुक हियर नाउ. इन दिस क्वेश्चन, do you see any law of exponent here? Yes, just look here, the power is negative and we need to add. Just look here, we need to add this, but here power is negative. Minus 8 upon 5 raised to the power minus 1, we don't know. But if we will reciprocal the base, power will become positive. Of course, sign will get changed. Minus है तो plus हो जाती है और plus है तो minus हो जाती है. So that's what I am doing. If I write it like this, 5 upon 8 and whole raised to the power 1. पावर नेगेटिव थी, रेसिप्रोकल किया, पॉजिटिव हो गई. माइनस 5 अपॉन 8 रेज टू द पावर 1 इज एक्चुअली माइनस 5 अपॉन 8. फाइन. सिमिलरली प्लस साइन भी है, प्लस हम लिख रहे हैं. बेटा ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आप कुछ चेंज कर दोगे. नो, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज एनीथिंग. जो साइन दिया हुआ है हमको वो ही लेना है. प्लस करने को बोल रहे हैं, we have to do addition. If they are asking you to do multiplication, you have to do multiplication. You are not supposed to change the question. Now here minus 16 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. If we will reciprocal the base, just look here. This is minus 3 upon 16, power will become plus 1. 1. So minus 3 upon 16 raised to the power 1 is actually minus 3 upon 16. Fine. And then we have 5 upon 32 raised to the power minus 1, which is 32 upon 5. Power 1, which is actually 32 upon 5. Alright? Okay. Now just look here. What are they asking you to do in this bracket? They are asking us to find out minus 5 upon 8, addition of minus 5 upon 8 and minus 3 upon 16. So how we will do this? We will take the LCM. 8, by what number should I multiply 8 to get 16 by 2? So both the numerator and denominator will be multiplied with 2. This we have already done. So minus 10. Then we have plus minus minus. By what number should I multiply 16 to get 16? By 1. So this is 3 into 1, which is minus 3. Fine. Okay. Now this is 32 upon 5. Now minus 10 minus 3. Minus minus plus, which is minus 13 upon 16. And here we have 32 upon 5. Can we solve this? Yes, we can solve this. Just look here. 16 1 is 16. 16 2s are 32. So this is minus 26 upon 5. Understood? I hope everybody understood the concept well. Negative exponent, to make it positive, we have just reciprocal the base. Here also minus 3 upon 16. Then we have taken the LCM. So this is going to be minus 10, minus 3, which is minus 13 upon 16. Here we have reciprocal the base, 32 upon 5. Power will become positive, right? So 32 upon 5 whole raised to the power 1 is actually 32 upon 5. Then they were asking us to multiply. We have solved the bracket. We have got minus 13 upon 16. Then multiply sign and 32 upon 5. So how would we do it? We will just multiply. How do you multiply? I hope you remember. So that's what we have performed multiplication here. And we have got minus 26 upon 5. Fine. Now taking one more question from your exercise. Okay. So just look here. Now, if suppose you have got a question 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1, then we have divided by 36 to get 216 and we just need to find this unknown variable x. Alright. Now अलग तरह का क्वेश्चन आया, हम क्या करें, कुछ नहीं करना है, हमको जो दिखाई दे रहा है स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉलो करना है विथ करेक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. आपको जैसे समझ आ रहा है आप वैसे स्टार्ट करो. देखो मुझे क्या समझ आ रहा है, दिस इज 6 raised to the power 2x प्लस 1. मुझे पता नहीं है कैसे सॉल्व करना है तो मैंने इसको छोड़ दिया, बट मुझे पता है ये 36 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. इट मीन्स ये पूरी पावर 36 से डिवाइड हो रही है. अभी भी नहीं समझ आया कि ऐसा तो नहीं कर दूंगी मैं 6 को कैंसिल कर दूँ 36 से. नो, यू कैन नॉट डू इट. राइट, 6 नहीं, 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1 and we don't know the value of x. Now what? Just look, ये 36 डिवाइड में उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा. So this is going to be 216 into 36. Now what? Now whenever you come across question like this कि यहाँ पे कुछ पावर है और राइट हैंड साइड में पावर नहीं है, always try to do कि लेफ्ट में जो बेस आ रहा है राइट में भी वही बेस आएगा. यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में 6 बेस है तो राइट में 6 बेस लाने की कोशिश करो so that we can compare the powers. और ऐसे अगर हमको बेस नहीं पता होता है तो कोशिश करो कि पावर्स को सेम कर सके so that we can compare the bases. So just look here, this is 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1. Now 216 is what? 216, you remember how to write 216? This is actually 6 raised to the power 3. Just look here, 216 is 6 raised to the power 3. Now you'll say हमने 216 को 6 raised to the power 3 क्यों लिखा? Why are we not taking 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3? ऐसे भी तो होता है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. बट बेटा जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू यहाँ बेस 6 है तो कोशिश करते हैं कि यहाँ पर भी बेस क्या आ जाए 6. And this 36 can be written as 6 raised to the power 2. Now just look here. Here 6 raised to the power 2x plus 1 and here we have the bases same. So powers will be added. 3 plus 2 will become 5. Right? Now just look here. Bases are same. Equal to sign is there. It means जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है उसकी वैल्यू राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल है. अगर बेसिस सेम है इट मीन्स पावर्स विल आल्सो बी same. We can compare the powers. So now how would we do that? Or exponents we must say. So 2x is equals to 5 minus 1. ये plus 1 है इधर जाके minus 1 होगा. So this is going to be 2x is equals to 4 and x is equals to this 2 is in multiplication. It will go in division here and x is equals to 2. That's how we get the value of x. Understood? Taking one more question. All right. I hope you understood well. Right? Okay. You will actually learn maths when you will do it by yourself and ask your doubts. That's how you will understand the concepts, and concepts are very much required in maths. Maths is not just about just looking to the teacher and just following it. It's not like that, beta. Always remember, if your concepts will be clear, you will get good marks in maths always, and you will find it interesting also. Okay, so just taking one more question from the exercise. Just look here. I'm taking question from exercise 2.2, right? Then after discussing few questions from the exercise, we will move to standard form of numbers, large or small numbers. Fine. Okay. Just one more thing I would like to tell you. If you have doubt in any of the question, you can watch the previous videos also. उसमें सारे questions I have just told. Okay, this is I'm just trying to provide you gist of the chapter so that you can revise it, a little quickly. That's why I am taking questions, right? Otherwise, if you really want to see and if you are getting problem in any of the question, you can always go through the videos. They are still there on this YouTube channel. Okay, so you can always watch the videos for the exercises, right? Okay, now just look here and we just need to find this y upon x raised to the power minus 1. This we need to find. So before proceeding this, we will find out the value of x upon y. X upon y is what? Is 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2 and we have 3 upon 5 raised to the power minus 2. Again, the way you wish to proceed, you can proceed. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप इसको नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव बनाना चाहते हो, जस्ट डू इट, डोंट वरी. बट व्हाट आई कैन डू, I mean you don't need to follow me. आपको जैसा दिख रहा है आप कीजिए. You will surely get the answer. Just look here. यहाँ भी power -2 है, यहाँ भी power -2 है. It means I can apply a law. Which law? Bases are different but powers are same. So क्या होता है? देखो bases are different, multiply है. So we will multiply and power will become -2. This is a law. Now 3 will be cancelled with 3. So you will get 2/5 raised to the power -2. अगर आप पहले इसको पॉजिटिव करते और फिर लॉग लगाते then also it's correct. You will get the answer. Now 2/5 raised to the power -2. If you will reciprocal the base, again power will be positive. -2 है तो +2 हो जाएगा. Now 5/2 raised to the power 2 means what? It is 5/2 into 5/2. Just look here. 2/5 raised to the power -2 है. Reciprocal करोगे you will get 5/2 raised to the power 2, which is 5/2 into 5/2, right? Which is actually 25/4. ये तो हमें x/y की वैल्यू मिली है, पर हमसे क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? We just need to find y/x raised to the power -1. Now you just tell me this is y/x raised to the power -1. Fine, we just need to find this value. Okay, how would you start with this? Negative exponent we have, we'll try to make it positive. So let's just make it positive. Now this is x/y raised to the power 1. What is x/y raised to the power 1? It is actually this. It means this y/x raised to the power -1 is actually x/y, and we have already calculated the value of x/y. So this implies that value of y/x raised to the power -1 is actually 25/4. Understood? Alright. Now moving on to next part. Taking next question. Alright. Now alright, we have a question. The product of two numbers is 2/5 raised to the power -3. The product of two numbers, just have a look here. Product of two numbers we have. Product of two numbers. It is what? 2/5 raised to the power -3. This is product. Okay, if one of the number is 5/4 raised to the power -2, you need to find other. Okay, product of two numbers is 2/5 raised to the power -3. If one of them is 5/4 raised to the power -2, you just need to find other. So we don't know which one is other, so let other number be x. Other number be x. Okay. Now what are they saying in the question? आपको जो क्वेश्चन में बोल रहे हैं वही चीज करो. What are they saying? They are saying ये प्रोडक्ट है. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स जब हमने दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया, पहला नंबर हमको दिया हुआ है 5/4 raised to the power -2, और दूसरा नंबर जो हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया वो हमने x माना है. We have assumed that the other number be x, so just take it x. That's what they are saying. One of the number is 5/4 raised to the power -2. Okay, we have taken कि इन दोनों नंबर्स को, ये नंबर और ये नंबर को जब मल्टीप्लाई किया तो प्रोडक्ट मिला हमको 2/5 raised to the power -3. Understood? Now what we need to do? We just need to find this number. So how would we do that? हमें we need x, value of x. So with respect to x ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. With respect to x ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है x की वैल्यू, which means we need x is equals to something. तो ये with respect to x it is multiplying, so it will go in division. Just look here. x की वैल्यू निकालनी है ये इधर. Just look here. This is 2/5 raised to the power -3. With respect to x ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, so it will go in division here. Now I hope you will be able to solve it, right? You want me to solve it? Okay, let me just solve it, right? Okay, so this is what? Now again this is negative power, so we will make it positive, and now this is again negative power, so we will positive. Now you need to solve it by your own. Alright? You will be able to find out the value of x then. Alright? Okay. Now, okay, let me just ask you, or let me just tell you, 100 raised to the power 0 is what? It is 1. 100 raised to the power 0 is what? 1. So suppose somebody asks you, ma'am, just tell me 100 raised to the power 0 plus 2 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power 0 is what? It is not going to be 105, please. 100 raised to the power 0 is 1. 2 raised to the power 0 is actually 1. 3 raised to the power 0 is again 1. So answer will be 3. That's how you are going to do it. Okay? Alright. Now one more thing I would like to ask you. Suppose minus 1 raised to the power 4. Minus 1 and power is even. You will always get a positive number which is 1. Right? 1 into 1 into 1, when you multiply n number of times you will always get 1. But if it is negative 1, minus 1 is there and you have to look for the power then. This is minus 1 raised to the power 4. This is minus 1 raised to even power, so you will get a positive 1. And if it is, suppose it is, let's say 99. This is an odd power, so you will get minus 1. I hope you understood, right? Okay. Now, that's it for now. In next video, I mean we have one more class. In next video we will discuss standard form, and I want everybody to ask questions. If you have doubt in this video, in any of the question, please do ask me, because you have to appear for your PT1 exams. Alright, so thank you so much.